Hello, students of class 4. How are you? Today I am going to start a new lesson, Alice in Wonderland. This story was written by Lewis Carroll, a famous writer. Lewis Carroll was a famous writer. He wrote many stories for children. It is said he was inspired by a little girl whose name was Alice. In this story, we will read about Alice, a little girl in a wonderland. Wonderland means a strange land. Okay, how did she reach there? How did she reach the wonderland? We will read about it here. One day, a young girl whose name was Alice was sitting in her garden. Suddenly, she saw a rabbit ran past her into a rabbit hole. The rabbit was talking to itself and looking at its pocket watch to check the time. This amazed the little girl. This amazed the little girl, young girl, Alice. This amazed Alice. Alice was attracted to the rabbit. She decided to follow it. She decided to follow the rabbit. She ran after it. She ran after it. She ran after the rabbit and went into the hole. And she found herself in a long, low hall which was lit up by lamps, row of lamps hanging from the roof. Okay, there were doors all around the hall, but they were all locked. She was worried. Why? Because she found every door was locked. She was worried to think that how could she get out of the hall? How could she get out of the dark hall? She moved around to find her way out of the hall, but she could not find it anywhere. She came to the middle of the hall, and found a little three-legged glass table. What did she find there? What did she find in the middle of the hall? So she found a three-legged glass table on which there was a golden key. What was there on the table? There was a golden key on the table. At first, the child was delighted to see the key, but soon it became disappointed. She became disappointed to see the key was too small. Two means more than enough. Very small. The key was very small. It could not open any of the doors. Okay, that was why she was disappointed. She was sad. In second round, in second time round, she went to a curtain. Behind it, there was a little door, but it was locked. But it was locked. She came to the table again and took the key to open the door. She opened the door and found that it led into a small passage, not much larger than a rat hole. She knelt down. The girl, knelt down and looked along the passage into the loveliest garden. Okay, how she longed to get out of that dark hall, and she was very curious to get out of there, and she wanted to move around, to wander about the among those bed of flowers and those cool fountains, but she could not even get her head through the doorway. There seemed there seemed to be no use in waiting there. She thought it was useless to stay there by the little door. So she went back to the table again, half hoping she might find another key on it, or at any rate a book of rules for shutting people up like telescope. This time she found a little bottle on it. What did she find this time? She found a little bottle on the table, and around the neck of the bottle was paper label with the words "Drink me" beautifully printed on it. What was printed? What were printed on the paper label? Drink me in bold writing. Okay, in bold letter. What a curious feeling. She was very excited. She was very curious to see the bottle containing some liquid. It was very strange liquid. It was very strange liquid. As soon as she drank it, as soon as she drank the liquid, she grew shorter and shorter. She shrinked into very small creature. But she had forgotten to take the key. She came to the door, but she had forgotten the key on the table. She went again to the table to take the key, but she was too small to raise the key. She could not get the key. Now she was disappointed. She began to cry, but she thought it is useless to cry there. It is useless to weep there. She looked around. She looked here and there. Suddenly, she saw a little glass box under the table. She opened it. She opened the box and found a little cake inside it, on which "Eat Me" were printed in beautifully. "Eat me." She was pondering whether she should eat the cake or not. But she decided she will eat the cake to see whether it makes her grow small or into normal size. She decided to check the effect of the cake. So she ate the cake. Okay. As soon as she ate the cake, she grew larger and got her normal size. Now she was happy. Now she set to work, and very soon finished off the cake. She ate the cake. She ate all the cake. In this way, the story ended. Okay. So question answers will be taught next day. Thank you.